Tadadadam! I am going to show you our brush set. So first, let's start with the foundation brush. I really like this foundation brush. So makikita nyo, it is a flat pero rounded siya. Tapos, glossy yung ferrule niya. This is like, this one is an aluminum ferrule. Tapos, this is the handle. Ayan. So, the way that I use this foundation brush is sobrang gaan lang niyang gamitin at sobrang dali niya mag-blend ng base. And what I like about it is, hindi niya ina-absorb yung product. Talaga nililipat niya sa face mo yung product. Ayan, tingnan niyo. Ang konti lang ng product na nalagay ko, pero it's really in there already. So, ito yung side na meron at ito yung side na wala pa. Tapos makikita nyo, hindi siya streaky at all. Kita nyo, buong-buo yung paglapat niya ng base. So, gagana to kahit mas manipis na mga skin tint. Even na mas makapal a little na for foundation, gagana tong brush na to. Kuhang-kuha din niya yung, sa application process, it retains the thinness of the product. Yung pagkanipis ni first base, tapos tinan nyo, hindi siya nagiging streaky at all. Tapos, skin tint na skin tint pa rin yung finish niya. Ito, ang lapat niya is, tinan nyo, skin. Yun ang finish ng brush na to. Yun ang ano niya, yung peg niya sa life. Then next brush, oh my god, this is my favorite, is our concealer brush. Ayan. So, sobrang tama lang yung, parang may hawak na pencil actually. It's so nice. Sobrang konti lang ng kailangan nyo guys. Tinan nyo, ganyan lang konti nilagay ko. Ayun, lalagay ko na siya. Kung meron akong favorite, out of the 5 brushes, it's this. Pinaka-favorite ko si concealer brush. Because it made my life easier. So, the reason why I like this is because it's like a finger, but it diffuses the product so well. Kaya hindi siya nagka-clump, nagki-cake, or nagsistreaky. Tapos, ang gusto ko sa kanya, wala siyang tusok at all. Kasi minsan, may tusok yung concealer brush, so naluluha-luha yung mata mo. So, pag ginanyan mo, wala kang tusok na mag-feel at all. And yung shape ng product, makikita nyo ba, maliit siya hanggang patangkad siya sa dulo. So, parang nakabukad ka diyang ganyan. So, yung product, nadi-diffuse siya na sobrang maayos. Sobrang ayos ng blend ng product. So, mag-contour muna tayo. The third brush is our contour brush. So, this one is really made for cream contour. Ito. Kasi ginawa namin siya with color bounce in mind. Kaya siya ganito yung shape is para madali siyang gamitin and angled siya. And it's really, really dense. Look. Pang ano talaga siya. Pang cream or liquid contour. See how it diffused that? So easy. And makikita nyo rin na wala siyang ina-absorb na product. Siyempre may mapapasa dyan ng konti. Pero hindi sa kanya napupunta. Napupunta talaga sa face ko. So I like the density of this one. Parang it's just dense enough for cream to liquid contour products. And angled na siya. So your arm doesn't need to be in like a weird angle just for you to get that angled finish. Kasi it's already at a weird angle. Weird na siya. So siya naging weird for you. So here, I will be using our blush brush. So our blush brush naman is also slightly angled. So si contour brush is really angled. Tingnan nyo. Ito. Si blush brush, slightly angled. So this one naman is developed